Hi, we are making a leaf collage. First, we traced our leaves onto a white paper. It was really fun going out and looking for fall leaves and seeing all the neat different colors. Then we painted our leaves with the warm colors, which are orange, yellow, and red. And now we're going to put everything together. So we need to cut out our leaves. Let's put that aside. Now, I want to make like a black frame for my leaf. So I'm going to glue my leaf to a black piece of paper. And sometimes you might need to put something heavy on your leaf, like your glue bottle, while you cut out the next one. So I'm going to let that dry. When you're all done cutting and gluing about 5 to 10 leaves, you're going to make a blue background that looks like the wind. So we are going to use the cool colors for this one, and the cool colors are blue, green, and purple. So I'm going to choose a blue paper. And I'm going to get some markers that are the cool colors. And I'm going to make some swirls and things to make it look like the wind is blowing. Yay. I also like to make dots. Looks dusty. And then I have some glitter glue, and I'm just going to outline some things with the glitter glue just to make it look a little bit fancy. And sometimes you have to wait for this glue to travel to the tip. And I can make dots with the glue also. Whoopsie. Okay, then I'm going to set this aside. And as soon as I get my leaves cut out, I'm going to make a frame for my blue paper, and then I'm going to arrange my leaves inside the frame, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I have this blue paper. I can't get my camera to be farther away, so I'm just going to move this around so you could see the frame. See my black frame? So in order to make the black frame, I'm going to get a piece of black paper and fold it in half like a hot dog bun. And then I'm going to start on the folded edge. See how there's a folded edge and an open edge? I'm going to start on the folded edge, and I'm going to draw, you could draw a square frame. I hope you can see the pencil. Or if you want to be fancy, you could make it squiggly. Come back to the fold, and then I'm going to cut this out. All right, then when I open it up, I get a picture frame. Ta-da! Okay, and this picture frame needs to get glued. You would use dots of glue, not lots of glue for this. needs to get glued to my blue paper. Dot, dot, not a lot. So I'll grab my blue paper and I'm going to line my picture frame up and press it on. Trying to be careful not to mess up my glitter glue that is still wet, or you can wait till the glitter glue dries. Okay, so I could move this around a little bit. So I could try to slide it around so it gets the edge of my, see how that's off? I'm gonna pull that over. Okay, and then once I start cutting out the leaves, I'll show you how to cut your leaf with a frame around it. Then we'll start gluing them on to the page. So I have my leaf right here. And I want to be able to see the black paper, so I could just cut a frame around it, or if you're worried about that, you could draw a frame with your pencil so you know where to cut. And then I'll just cut on my line. Get that. I'm going to try to cut so I can't see my pencil line anymore. And then after I get all of my leaves cut out, I am going to arrange them on my blue paper. And if your glitter glue is wet, you might want to think about it before you start gluing. If your glitter glue is dry, like, I'll show you one that's dry. This one is dry, and I could maybe try to see what type of composition or layout I'm going to make. Like I could do all up and down, I could do some upside down, I could do some that go over top of the frame. You might have like 3 of these leaves and then 3 other leaves that you could put inside. So you might have to think about how you want to lay them out, and then you'll get some of your regular glue and put dots and glue it on. You might have to really press down on this or put something heavy to weigh them down. And that is the end of the project. So you have a composition with leaves that have warm color, and then contrasting that, you have a background that has cool colors. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.